The ultimate Applyflixcom Netflix tutorial from 0 to pro in 1 minute. If you're trying to access Netflix deals or perks, most people get this wrong by relying on unreliable hacks or unofficial websites. The surprising truth about Applyflixcom is that it's a platform designed to help users find legitimate Netflix promotions, free trials, and discounts safely. First, create an account. You won't believe how simple it is. Just sign up with a valid email and secure password. No need to provide sensitive payment details until you're sure of the offer. Next, explore available promotions. Most people get this wrong by skipping the instructions. Applyflixcom lists verified Netflix deals, gift card offers, and partner discounts. Reading the terms carefully ensures you qualify for the promotion without issues. Check reviews and ratings. The surprising truth is that user feedback is crucial here. Verified users share their experiences, helping you identify which offers are worth pursuing and avoid scams. Finally, redeem your deal. You won't believe how smoothly the platform guides you through claiming free trials, vouchers, or discounted subscriptions. Following the instructions step by step ensures your account remains safe and your Netflix access uninterrupted. In conclusion, Applyflixcom can take you from 0 to pro in finding legitimate Netflix deals. By signing up securely, exploring verified promotions, reading user reviews, and redeeming offers carefully, you'll enjoy Netflix perks without risking your account. Patience and attention to detail are the keys to maximizing benefits safely.